Skip the queue. Yeah, Subway in Kaitaia. Express pickup. This is what you've got to choose from. You give them some money and they make your semi. You can choose your bread, choose all your different flavours, what you want on it. And they've got, hey mate, they've got cookies, that's quite popular here, and drinks. George, you having a good day?
Need any help?
No, good, thank you mate, just showing everyone what you've got.
Okay, man.
Good on you, man, you have a good day, eh?
Just call me if you want.
All good, mate, carry on.
Yep.
Cheers, push. So that is Subway in Kaitaia on Commerce Street. Skip the queue.